discover affiliate marketing and how you could earn more money. For everyone starting a new enterprise or seeking to grow and expand an existing enterprise, affiliate marketing may very well be the ideal tool to pursue your goals. While the internet may provide you with a wealth of information on the topic, wading through the information may be overwhelming. This video is meant to provide you with succinct tips on affiliate marketing. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to choose quality products to advertise. Remember, all of the recommendations that you make reflect directly back on you. Therefore, if you advertise an affordable and quality product, your customers or subscribers will trust your advice, thereby boosting your credibility. As you may now be aware, affiliate marketing is an efficient and cost-effective method for marketing your business to new customer pools that you may not otherwise be exposed to. By applying the tips and advice from this video, you will help increase the exposure of your business and may very well begin your journey to success. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.